the end of the year. Everywhere on TV, couples and Christmas trees, gift wrapping and cheer. Just the worst time to be without someone special.
So the end of my day starts around 5 p.m. This is when I finish wrapping up studying, and on Mondays I have tutoring for about an hour. I tutor Korean students in English, and it's a volunteer opportunity that I got a while back. Then I get home around 7 p.m.
I just got back from tutoring. Yeah, it usually takes about an hour to get there, an hour of tutoring, an hour to come back, so it takes quite a while. I still have a bit of work to do because I have to finish my research paper today. I don't have an option, it's due tomorrow. But I got a package, so I want to open it. Also from SKIMS. I've been wanting like some long sleeve winter pajamas because it's cold in my room, guys. It's freezing, and my pajamas that I have now are short sleeve. It's like short, so I wanted something long so I can be cozy and warm, but I haven't been cozy and warm. I've been freezing and cold. Oh my gosh, so cute. I don't know. Okay, but before I get into my comfy pajamas that just arrived, I do need to take a shower because I'm stinky and sweaty from the whole day out. I take my showers at night, starting ever since I came to Korea, actually. Should I clean my room first, then take a shower, or take a shower, then clean my room? But before that, my room is an absolute mess, and it's been like this for the entire whole of last week. I'm listening to a little bit of music, clean my room, you know, do a little this, do a little that, and then I'll come back and then we'll get into the spa treatment. You know, I want to give myself a little spa treatment. I'm almost at the end of finals week, you know, I want to treat myself nice. I don't know why it's this messy in my room, but we gotta clean it up because I can't be living like this. I'm trying to live, you know, an evolved lifestyle. This mess behind me is not in my evolved lifestyle. So let's get rid of it, please, right now. Real quick, let me start on my rice. I'm gonna actually cook something, but I bought food, so I'm actually just gonna heat that up. I'm gonna have spicy pork with rice and kimchi pancake. I bought mango pudding. I'm gonna put that in the fridge. This is our kitchen. Welcome. It's pretty cute, so I'm just gonna cook this rice real quick and call it a day. This is my little section of my fridge, and now it's clear. Mango pudding I bought, kimchi pancake. I got enough for 2 days. This is the rice I'm gonna cook. A lot because I like there to be leftover rice, so keep it in the rice cooker actually, and it keeps it heated so that it doesn't like get bacteria or anything. Let's make some rice now. I'm gonna put some water in here, swish it out, clean it. I'm making this rice so that when I finish cleaning my room and I get out the shower, this will be done so I can eat. I'm gonna put this down, normal rice, and then you just press it. And then, it's literally moldy. Okay, I finished doing everything over there. Now I'm back in my room. My desk area is all cleared out. I have to now handle this situation. It's mostly just clean clothes that need to be put away, actually.
Every night I have to reset my room because it can get really messy with all the clothes I have lying around and other trinkets and things that just end up in my room after the long day.
I finished. It's so much better than before. My bed is made and nothing's on the ground. Now that I'm done cleaning up, I am going to hop in the shower. I wanted to take an everything shower today, so that means I want to use my body scrub, and I also want to do a face mask today. I'm gonna use this body scrub, and then I have this face mask. Let's just go to the bathroom. I'm in the shower now. As you can see, I'm in my bathroom. Don't want her for Christmas. Sorry. And I'm listening to Christmas music, but this is the body scrub I'm going to use. I'm out of the shower. I'm gonna do my hair real quick. For my scalp, I brought this root enhancer recently, and then this is my leave-in conditioner from Salon 10, and then a random oil. So you guys know how I came here to become a K-pop star, right? Yeah, well, I haven't given up, but you probably haven't had an update for a while, or maybe you're gonna have an update soon. The reason that is because I just realized how difficult it is to become an artist out of nowhere. I've had like meetings with people and I've talked to people and I kind of tried to get this thing going, but ooh, this makes my hair really soft and moisturized.
So during my hair care, I wrap my hair up in a bun and put it in a bonnet for the night.
Let's do my skincare. You guys know how I was talking about how I wanted pajamas, right? It's cold in my room, guys. It's freezing, and my pajamas that I have now are short sleeved. I was freezing cold in my room every single night because it snowed here and it was just very freezing. It was literally freezing cold. Overall, I was just really cold in my own room. And I just partnered with SKIMS and they sent me their holiday sleep set, and look at this. Is this not the cutest thing you've ever seen in your life? Usually when it comes to sleepwear, the sleep sets that I find are either kind of exposing and like it does not serve a good purpose. When you think of like, oh, it's the holidays, it's cold, it snows, I need to be all bundled up and cozy and warm. And then they give you like underwear. But with the SKIMS sleep set, number one, do you see it's covering every part of my body? Like from head to toe, I'm covered, so I'm definitely kept warm. The material that they use is also very, very soft. It feels like I'm in like a really soft blanket, so like I'm hugged by a fireplace and I should be holding hot chocolate right now. And it's also really cute. It's not the Christmas pajamas that your mom gets you. It's more like, you know, I have entered my new adulthood and I bought myself some holiday pajamas. I think it'd be so cute if I was matching with my best friend. That's like the first thing I think of when I think of pajamas. It's like hot chocolate and matching holiday pajamas with your friends and family. So I'm gonna get one for my best friend so that we can be matching. Cause how cute would that be? Would that not be ridiculously cute? I did part of my skincare, but I'm gonna put on a face mask before finishing the rest. So if you're looking for the perfect gift for everyone on your list, the SKIMS holiday shop is now open at skims.com. And after you place your order, make sure to let them know that I sent you. Select YouTube in the survey and make sure to select my show in the drop-down menu that follows. Alright, now it's time to finish making my dinner because I'm hungry.
If I'm being honest, it's been a while since I actually cooked anything for myself, but today was a special day, so I ended up getting myself some pre-made food and heated that up. I also did my dishes because I had a lot of dirty dishes in my room because I've been eating in my room and just snacking during the week.
Now that my food is done, you know what time it is. It's time to relax, eat my food, sit by the fire, and watch TV.
And then every night without fail, I end the day with some dinner and YouTube. My YouTube varies from Koreax Kenshin to Among Us to random Thai YouTubers.
I'm about to watch my Thai show now because I finished my main dinner. It was delicious. Bomb diggity. Absolutely one of a kind. Take any fruits. Today I have mango pudding. That's not really fruit, but you know. Or a little bit of condensed milk. She's starting to mature. Confused because she's acting so nice. All I want to do is lay down. I'm gonna take off this mask now and finish my skincare because some of it is clear but some of it is not.
ผมเห็นเองแต่ป้าหาวันนั้นผมไม่สอนอดีตครับ
Mike, where are you going? Oh my gosh, he's leaving. Since vitamin C is good for removing dark spots, I was like, great, let me buy that, but it's expensive. So instead I bought eye cream. I'm like, eye cream is supposed to take care of the dark circles around your eye, so shouldn't it be able to do the same for the rest of your face?
ทนายรองประธานบริษัทกรีนดีลเคยเรียนมาแล้วชื่ออะไรเดียวกัน
Oh no.
ชวนแล้วไม่น่ามีอะไร
As you can see, I was very hooked on this show and I ended up going to sleep around 1 a.m. maybe 2. But that was it for my night routine. The next video will be my morning routine. And if you're interested in seeing more content from this beautiful brown skin girl, then make sure to hit the subscribe button and hit the like button and comment down what other videos you guys want to see. I hope you guys have a very good night and I'll see you in the next video. I'm Sappy, bye!